Hey, what's up, guys? Today's video is on how to maintain your Roomba iRobot. You got to give it maintenance so that this thing can keep on going and giving you cleaning after cleaning with a long life and nothing to break down. So first, you got to make sure you clean this on a regular. I got a little older model, but it's been good because I'm always maintaining it. So, all right, let's first thing, take this out to clean it. See how it collects dirt in there. This does a pretty amazing job at cleaning your house. Look at that. Got hair from the dogs. Let's go dump this. It also has the filter. You should clean this filter out. Just pull it. You just dust it off. You know, hit it against the garbage can lightly like this. If it's too dusty in here, I mean, you could also kind of like, you know, dust this off in the garbage can also. But if it's too dusty, you could get yourself a little damp towel, cloth, and just wipe it all around. Okay, next thing you're gonna want to do, put this aside, flip it around. See these brushes here? These things also got to be maintained. So just turn it around. You got to also maintain this little wheel right here. See, it gets little particles and hairs or whatever, and it makes the wheel tight. Makes the wheel tight and locks up. Could lock up on you. See that? Yeah, this thing does a great job. It picks up a lot of dirt, and it definitely beats having to sweep every day. Most houses, you know, gets dirty, like, if not every day, every other day you have to sweep, especially if you got a lot of pets or kids. This does a great job, but it's just you know, at least once a month. Well, as far as dumping the dirt, you got to do this. You got to empty this out almost every time you use it, because it picks up a lot of stuff from the floor. And make sure you don't have any wires hanging, like, you know, charging wires or whatever, any type of wires, because it will get sucked up by these wheels. and jam this up. So before you put this to clean, make sure you don't have anything on the floor, like, you know, ropes, whatever, shoelaces, anything that could get pulled in here. So yeah, these wheels also, they get very dirty. See this here? So that's part of the maintenance that you got to do to keep this Roomba running nice and working as it should. Could also pull you could pull this out right here. So you press the clip in. That way you have better access. You can pull these out. See all that dirt? Look at that. You pull this out to the right. It's very, very important to clean all of these parts. So you've got garbage in between there, garbage in there. It's been about 2 months since I did the last cleaning on this. Cleaning just like this. Yeah, you're gonna wanna get all this stuff off. I mean, you could actually hear the difference in the sound when you get all this stuff. When it's so dirty like this, you know, you can even hear the sound of the motor. It's like it runs happy. Sounds with more power, you know, because there's nothing straining it. Look at that. This ain't nothing though, really. I've pulled out a lot more junk out of here in the past. So I got me a little damp napkin. Pass it in these areas here. That looks good. A lot of times you get hair wrapped all around here. Just make sure you pull all that out. So you can see the squares in there. So you know that this side here goes in that on that side. Got some more hair out. All right, so let's put this one back. It's already nice and clean. I pulled out a lot of a lot of hair off of this. Look in there, make sure this is clear. Make sure it has nothing in there. All right, let's put this one back. See, this goes right flat on here. That's it. Let's clear this one up. Not too bad. Just spin it until it falls into the groove there. Spin it from the rubber area, from the middle. It's this here. This area spins independently. So that's it. That's in. Let's click this back in place. Inspect the wheels. And I'm gonna clean this one out a little bit more. So make sure you get some something like this, tweezers with the skinny tip. That way you can get in between there. That looks good. All right, now that we are done with the cleaning, let's just give the top a little wiping. Keep it nice and clean. Go inside the grooves there. That's it, and we are done. Looking good. Okay, now let's put it to charge. Okay, now it's charging. Make sure you guys do the same. You guys that own the Roombas. It's very important to do this maintenance to keep it from breaking down. So now you guys know how to maintain it. you should be good. It's worth it. This thing does an amazing job around the house. You won't have to pick up a broom and start sweeping every day or every other day. You just press that button and you're good to go. Keep that litter compartment clean. Keep the filter clean, as I showed you guys. And that's all it takes. It's worth it. I've had this one for a couple of years already. And it's been a very, very good machine. Alright guys, until next time, your boy Gus. Later.